Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot for Beginners Lesson 3. Today we will learn natural turn. And let's meet our demonstrators, Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to show these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
And we start with natural turn, man's steps. Man starts with right foot forward to side, back, back to side and forward. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot and back, closing heel turn, forward, forward to side and back. Now let's pay attention to footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, draw heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot and heel. Again from opposite angle, man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, draw heel, then inside edge of foot, then whole foot and heel. Ladies footwork. Lady starts with right foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, and again toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. When we dance natural turn at a corner, we will change amount of turn. This is normal amount of turn, 3/8 of a turn, and again 3/8 of a turn. But if we want to finish facing diagonally to center in new line of dance, first part we dance the same, 3/8 of a turn, but here we turn only 1/8 to right. And again, version around the corner in close hold and body contact, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick. And now let's put together in a routine figures we learn in first 3 lessons. So we start with preparation step, then feather step, reverse turn second bar, 3 step, natural turn first bar, natural turn second bar, feather step, reverse turn and reverse turn second bar, and hover telemark. And from beginning we can dance again feather step, reverse turn second bar, and 3 step, natural turn and natural turn second bar. Now let's look at directions. In preparation step we aim to move diagonally to center. We continue diagonally to center, and in reverse turn we change moving direction down line of dance. Then we again change direction diagonally to wall, continue 3 step diagonally to wall, start natural turn in same direction, and here we change direction down line of dance into corner, and we finish facing diagonally to center in new line of dance. And now to music. let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Roberts and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.